Hi, this is Shade Foray with TaxSaleSupport.com. I'm sitting here next to Steven Swenson, and this is the deal of the week for October 5th.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for watching our video. We try to go over a couple of different deals each week where there's potential opportunity, something that we see coming up for auction that catches our eye.
Yeah, interesting properties that come up or good opportunities that we see. We come across them on a regular basis. We thought it'd be a good idea to start sharing them.
Yeah, we've spent this week kind of going over New York and the opportunities that are in New York. New York's a great state for tax deed investing.
Yeah, which means you are acquiring the property there. Basically, the county just waits out a time period that the state laws give the delinquent property owners before the county themselves will foreclose on the property and sell it at auction to recover the delinquent taxes. So it can take a few years, but opening bids, tend to start just with what's owed in delinquent taxes and fees.
Yeah, exactly. So when you're buying these properties, you're actually buying the property. This isn't a tax lien certificate. This is a tax foreclosure, so you're owning the property. Now, we can either buy these at a live county auction down at the county courthouse, but they also have online auctions. They have over-the-counter opportunities, so there really is a lot of opportunity within New York State.
Yeah. Now, speaking of opportunities, we've come across some beautiful properties here, and this one that we're going to talk about now is it is available on October 21st is when it's going to go to, is when the auction is, but it's starting at just $100. We're talking about a custom home in New York.
Yeah, absolutely. So, a really nice home, fairly newly built within the 90s on a nice quarter-acre lot that's worth over $500,000.
Yeah, we're talking about not a starter home. This
No.
is a beautiful custom home that's on a nice lot. The property itself is absolutely amazing, but it's sitting on about a half acre, and the assessed value, which we'll show you here, is just a little over 505,000 to be exact.
Yeah, I think Zillow had this worth just under 540.
Yeah.
But it's within the township of DeWitt, and definitely a nice property. You can see a nice lot there. Really a nice home. You don't see these type of homes come up to an auction, every month.
No, in fact, with tax sales, it's rare for properties to go to tax sale in general, but to have very nice properties, it's even more rare. So this one is awesome. It's an amazing property and a beautiful property. You can see it's incredible. Unreserved tax foreclosure auction starting at $100. This $500,000 property. So we'll have to see what it actually sells for at auction. But whatever it is, it's going to be a significant discount and way cheaper than you could get it in any other buying method.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice location, nice lot. You can see the exterior. It's got a nice, big, huge driveway with the grass out front, kind of a wraparound driveway, And you can see it's got, even in the backyard as well.
It's got
well
established and manicured landscaping. You can see the layout there of the lot, and you can see that it's a nice, valuable property, and it's in a neighborhood that's surrounded by other beautiful homes.
Yeah, nice manicured yard, big backyard, fenced. Neighbors have a pool. It means you can maybe jump over there and swim.
Yeah, it's always nice when the neighbors have pools. It's in a nice neighborhood generally, especially as you look through states like New York where they have harsh winters.
Yeah. We're looking at the square footage here at 4,100 square feet. I wonder if that includes if that's everything or include basement or not. It's a big home though. 5 bedroom, 3 bath. You can see that it last sold in 1998 for $379,000.
Whoa, that means it's worth a lot more than that now.
Yeah. I think this estimate's a little bit low. Because you can also see that they've decreased it by about $5,000 over the last 30 days. And that may have to do a little bit with the market, but, I think looking into more of this property, it's going to have a pretty good value to it.
And being that it was built in 1995, you're not going to have to worry about a lot of the things that you would normally have to worry about. Look at that rent estimate on it of $4,000 a month, $4,300 a month rent estimate on this property. The kind of opportunities with this property are amazing. Somebody's going to get an awesome deal on this, or at least, maybe we'll see. Maybe there'll be competitive bidding, or maybe it'll get pulled right before the auction because somebody will manage to pay it off, but it's not that far away.
No, it's coming up quickly, and there's a good chance, when they've gone through this whole foreclosure process, like in New York, they will have some properties that get paid. But, you've had a long time coming.
Yeah, so there's a few details on this. Just remember, it starts at $100. It's I hate trying to pronounce the county, Onondaga.
Close enough.
On October 21st, and it is a $500,000 home built in 1995, which means a lot of things about the improvements are going to be easier to work with. Just a great opportunity.
Yeah, well, the electricians, electricity and all that type of stuff.
Yeah, that's going to be up to date with more
plumbing.
modern standards, and the plumbing is going to be up to more modern standards. You're not going to have to worry about a lot of the problems you would for properties that were built in, the 30s or the 40s or the 50s. You don't have to worry about all of those things because by 1995, homes are pretty well.
Yeah, in fact, the furnace might be good still,
Yeah, it could still have a good furnace, and the windows might not need to be replaced, and the roof might still be good.
Well, probably is, most likely all of those things. So definitely a good opportunity. If you're interested, go ahead and check out the auction. In fact, if you're interested in any auctions, the best place to get auction list, auction information, whether it be online auctions, over-the-counter list, auction list is going to be on our website as part of our membership program on taxsalesupport.com.
Yeah. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn more, go to Tax Sale Support, where you can join for just $39 a month, and that will get you both training and lists. We're talking about thousands of lists, whether we're talking about over-the-counter lists or auction lists, along with a lot of training.
Yeah, absolutely. It's really a huge value. So again, if you like these videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to be putting out more videos, so if you want to be on top of it, go ahead and make sure you've subscribed.
Watch out for the next video.